Hey guys, so I'm headed to the gym. I honestly don't know what I ate, like either yesterday or the day before, but my stomach has been on like 1,000. So I'm hoping that I'll be okay for the gym. I had a casting this morning and that went pretty good. And I'm going to Planet Fitness. It's off of 125th, not too far from here. Just waiting on the Uber. I could have walked, but I was like, do I really feel like doing all that? Probably not. But it's such a beautiful day out today. And I hope you guys are being very productive because I feel like I've accomplished a lot today. I had ordered some bar stools and they were too tall for the kitchen, and so I had to take them back to TJ Maxx. I was almost like distraught because they were saying that they weren't going to be able to return them to that store location, but they ended up taking them anyway, and I got them returned, and I found this cute little pillow for my sofa, so I'll show you guys that soon. Hello there beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. You guys requested to see a workout video, so here I am, you girls, working out. But I'm starting out on the stair stepper and I'm just doing this for about 15 minutes just to get my blood flowing and my body moving. I'm starting out doing some burpees, and for most of these exercises I am doing a set of 10 3 times. So once we started off strong with that, I'm going to do some planks, and I'm counting in my head 30 seconds 3 times. So that's 90 seconds in total. And as you can see, I am remembering to breathe. That is so important when you're working out, and we forget that because it hurts and it's in pain. But as you can see, I'm just taking a nice little break right here in between each set. It's really good for recovery so that you can go strong. So here I'm just keeping my core nice and tight. If you set a glass of water, honey, it would not fall. Super straight. Moving on to some straight leg donkey kicks, and I'm just making sure that all of these motions are controlled. And here I'm just doing a few different variations to target some different muscles. And I love these 3-way donkey kicks because this really targets all of those muscles in your glutes, and it feels so amazing. Hurts like hell 2 days later, but it's good while you're doing it. Breathe, stretching it out, feels amazing. So now I'm gonna do some butt lifts, bridges, hip raises, whatever you want to call it, and of course 10 of those, set of 3 times. And I'm just making sure I squeeze my glutes nice and tight when I get to the top, making every move and every motion count. Here I'm doing these wall squats, and for me, you just want to make sure you get as low as possible, but I usually just go at about a 45-degree angle where my legs are. And here I just grabbed a kettlebell just because it was there, and it's 25 pounds. Of course, any of these workouts can be modified, either adding weight or not using weight, so that's the great part about it. And all of these workouts you don't even have to do at the gym. You can stay right at home and do it in your living room or wherever. Now I'm just going to keep that blood flowing, and I'm going to do some mountain climbers. This is so great for just that total body, and you can feel it all over. workout, you guys. It seemed like it was really quick just because all of the clips were sped up. Once you do that 3 sets of 10, it really is a great workout. I can feel the burn, and I'm telling you, the next couple days your girl is sore. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a stretch out. After I work out, I love to just get home, take me a nice hot bath or a hot shower, eat something good, and it just feels absolutely amazing.
It's like kerosene dripping down the end of leaves. You light it clean, smooth as butter. You know what I mean. We've never been, but here we are, feeling beautified, singing lullabies. It's like a second sky. Oh, oh yeah. Now you're on my mind all the time.
Guys, as you guys know, I am all about loving yourself and body confidence. So going to the gym for me is more of a mental thing. I just feel good on the inside, and you know, that's what it's all about, inside out living. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright, so just made it back home from the gym. Nice little workout in, put up a good little sweat. The Planet Fitness is literally like right down the street, so I might go again tomorrow. Grocery store and get some food, meal prep some stuff for the rest of the week, and let's see, take a shower, and then I'll come back and cook. Let me hurry up before it starts to get dark. Much love. Peace.